Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hey, this match is the finals or championship game of this season of Endaya Cup 2025 first season. Again, this game is brought to you by Team Arangkala Cuenca. Walang pipiliin, lahat yayakapin. Match between Emmanuel versus Balagbag. Congratulations agad, both teams. Tapikan kanina mapupunta. First touch na kuha ng Balagbag. Balagbag na nakakuha ng bola, nakakuha ni Medina. Medina bounce pass to Rabino. Rabino makes it out, still by Brazil. Eto na magkapatid. Brazil to Brazil connection for two. Alimulang bati para sa mga taga-Emmanuel. Yan, happy viewing po sa inyo lahat. Inyo pong natutumayan ang finals and championship game between these two contenders. Parehas palaban. Gutierrez, pace, mid-range jumper, too strong, rebound. Ay, may tipping si Rabino doon for two. Brazil kicks it out to Brazil, fourth grade. In and out. Rebound by Lascano. Rocafort drives. Rocafort kicks it out to Gutierrez, leaves open for three. In and out. Rebound by Ramos. Jersey number 7 to Bautista. Ang gandang pasa. And that's a traveling violation. Rocafort to Gutierrez. Back to Gutierrez. Rocafort to Gutierrez. Sa gitna, Lascano mid-range jumper. No good. Rebound by Marqueses. Binigay kay Ramos. Ramos naman ngayon mamadali. Ramos. That's a long two. No good. Naninibago sa ring. Brazil to Brazil. Another shot. In and out pa rin. Talagang matigas yan. Gawayan sa bakal. Rocafort. Gandang pasabit. Nakakuha ng foul. Jersey number 0 for pushing. First personal foul. First throw is there. No good ang pangalawa rebound by Marqueses, jersey number 15. To Brazil. Brazil to Ramos. Back to Brazil. Sa gitna, Bautista. Free throw jumper. Block by Lascano. Eto na ang mga taga-Balagbag to Gutierrez. Gutierrez, may whistle. Jersey number 0, Brazil. Second personal foul. Subdivision. Sa gitna na naka-play! Kaso no good. Sa kanila pa rin mapupunta ang offensive board. Medina nakadampot ang rebound. Nakakuha naman ni Bautista sa kabila. Steal! Hindi! Nakakuha pa rin ni Umali to keep the ball alive. Umali to Brazil. Brazil fakes sa ilalim. Kay Lascano. Contra Lascano rather. Marqueses ang gandang pasa pero may steal ni Medina. Medina kicks it out to Gutierrez. Uy! Grabe naman yun. Nakakita na kung ano doon sa ere. Si Gutierrez. Brazil. Kontra Rocafort. Naitawid. Brazil pa rin. Nakalusot. Gandang pasa to Bautista. Rejected na naman ni Lascano. Pass break play to Rocafort. Assist by Gutierrez. Timer. Sino? Si Miguel? Ang laki ah. Still may Rocafort. Rocafort nagmamadali. Rocafort! Pare. Diretso. Ingat ka diyan pare. Still by Umali. Brazil. Black by Rapino. Reyes. No good. Rebound by Lascano. Gutierrez. If top and back for 3. In and out. No short pala yun. Hindi pala nilabas. Short talaga ang tira. Nakakuha naman ni Bautista ang rebound. Brazil. 4-3. In and out pa rin mula kay Brazil. 3 set. To Rocafort. Rocafort. 12 seconds to shoot. 3 set. Bigs. Drive. Mid-range teardrop. No good. Rebound by Ramos. Pass break play. Rejected. Kaso nandoon ng dalawa pa. Kakampi. Sabay stop for 3. Bang! Brazil. 3. Rocafort gusto bumawi? Hindi lang tuman. Oh, tayo. Gutierrez, jelly scoop, no good. Rebound by Reyes. Umali is setting play, 5 minutes to go. Ramos, fake drive. Ramos enters the foul. Talagang wala pa rin. Foul will be called on jersey number 5, subdivision rep. Cuevas in. Ganda na naman ito, parehas malaki. Basket ang isa. Second throw. Wala. Talagang nangangapaka pa rin sa rin kaibigan. 3 set. 6-7 ang ating talaan. Lamang pa rin po ang 7 ng isa. Back to Gutierrez to 3 sets sa gitna kay Lascano. Makes Lascano. Kicks it out to Rocafort. Another pass to Lascano. Is this an overpassing? 8 seconds to shoot. Inahon, no good. Lascano for the rebound. Basket for 2. Grabe naman yun. Nagpapadami ng stats. Umali for 3. Subdivision. Rocafort. Bounce pass to Rocafort. Rocafort crossing over. Rocafort na alusot. Kicks it out the steal. Pass break play to Umali. Umali kontra 3. Wala pare. That's a traveling na subdivision. Madulas talaga pare. Maglagay ka ng poke. Sino kay Francisco? Yeah, Francisco nga. Sa gitna, Lascano rejected. Still by Ramos. Ito naman ngayon, pass replay to Umali. Umali no look pass. Still by Trise. Trise, bounce pass to Francisco. What an assist coming from Trise. 6-11. 5-point lead ng 11. Azares. Cuevas, mid-range J. No good. Rebound by Reyes. Page. Reyes. Uy, ganda naman ang kaso. No good. Rebound na pupunta kay Ramos. Ramos. Stomp. Fading away to way off. Rebound by Ramos again. Ramos, another one. Kicks it out to Cuevas. Mid-range J. For 2. Rebound and assist coming from Ramos. Rocafort. Rocafort kicks it out. Back to Rocafort. Kicks it out to Trise. Pigs. Ang ganda nun. Trise, gandang drop and gandang tira sa lang sa sayang naman. Cuevas to Ramos. Ramos, pumihit na naman. Reverse, nakakuha ng foul. Jersey number 15 for pushing. That's your... May sub. Sub. Pasok. Rocapor out. Pasok pa rin. Yeah, thank you. Rocapor, first personal foul. First throw is there by Ramos. Salamat sa napakagandang panahon. Basket pa rin, nakapana ni Ramos. (10-11), 1-point lead ng mga naka-brown. Francisco, ang tayo ng pasa. Trise, big job. Kicks it out to Abad na mid-range specialty. Lasa ko hindi umubra kayo. Azares, Pinoy step, Manaliste using the glass. Nagkatapi pa na ako ni Azares enters a foul. Oops! Pare, huwag na. Oy! Wala na second motion. Awat na. Chill lang, mga kaibigan. Pare-pares kayo maglalaro. Huwag dainin nila. Foul si jersey number 24, Francisco. Both jersey number 26, technical for second motion. Pasok ka ng pre-kalikasan. May 2 shots tayo, double foul or double technical. Again, double technical for second motion. Chill po tayo, mga kaibigan. First one, Azares. Basket. Deadlock na tayo sa 1-1-1-1-1-1. Rebound ni Rabino to Francisco. Almost a steal. Aman, the mid-range specialty. Talagang hindi yata na obra sa corner. And my foul. Pare, hilang. Kung hilang mo pare, hininga mo. Kita kahit nandito. Time out. Time out! Malabad. Foul, jersey number 16. Kalinga. Ramos, 3, 2 strong. And may, ano pong tawag doon? Jersey number 26 for pushing. Azares, that's your second personal foul. Third, team foul. Fires, no good. Ramos for the rebound. No good. Cuevas for the rebound. And basket for 2. Aban, setting a play, 10 seconds to shoot. Gandang terapas sa ilalim, Rabino kicks out, more to shoot. Francisco, no good. Hindi na nalipong ni Azares. Bakit? Basa. Yo, maraming salamat po sa upuha. Maraming salamat po sa tanod ng Barangay Ibabaw. Azares. Steal. Pass break, take to Francisco. Sinasabing pass break. Basket for 2 to tie the game. 30 seconds remaining. Three-second shot clock differential. Azares kicks it out. 10 seconds shoot. Ramos 3. 8 seconds to shoot. Aban. Oops! Nadulas pa si Aban. 3. And of our first quarter. Official score 16-13. Nabante ng 3 ang 16. Again, this game is brought to you by Okay, back to the ball game. Lopez, no good, rebound by Cuevas. Nice sundukan ni Drise. No good. Rebound by Cuevas to Brazil, kicks it out to Ramos, mid-range specialty. No good. Nagkatapikan. Bola ng Balagbag. Drise for 3. Patay ang bubog. Rebound. Nakakuha ng foul. Will be called on jersey number 7. Hit to the head. That's your first personal foul. First team foul. Hit to the head. Uy. First throw is there. No good. Rebound mapupunta sa mga taga-Emmanuel. Brazil gets the rebound. Brazil, clean block, same ball possession. Marquez bounce pass to Brazil. Fakes. No good. Rebound by Lopez. Lopez. Teardrop for two. Grabe talaga si Lopez. Sumusuot kahit masikip. Sarap nun na. Eto na si Brazil. For the steal. Brazil. Kicks it out to Cuevas sa gilid kay Ramos. Libre. Two-stroke. Lopez for the rebound. Brazil for three. Short rebound by Ramos. Lopez, another one, no. 5 seconds to shoot. Tinira na. No good, rebound by Rapino. Row of 4. And may foul tayo coming from jersey number 23, Lopez. First throw is there. Dead ball na rin, dead ball. Okay, punch na pangalawa. Subdivision drive. Brazil to Brazil using the big 10 seconds shoot. Brazil nasa dito na naman ang Tracy for the steal. Pass break to go up for Sala. Brazil nakakuha ng bola. Pass break to Ramos. Ang gandang pasa ng kay Marquez. No good. Marquez for the rebound. And there's a foul. Foul will be called on jersey number 5, Gutierrez. That's your sub rep sub. Gutierrez, first personal foul. Lopez to Bautista to Marquez. No good. Row 4. Row of 4, 14 seconds to shoot. Kicks it out to Gutierrez for 3. No good. Rebound by Ramos to Brazil. Brazil naman ngayon nagmamadali. Brazil sa baba kay Lopez. In and out. Rebound by Medanya. Nakalusot sa bantay. Medanya to Gutierrez. Gutierrez drive. Ganda nun. Kaso no good, rebound by Marquez. Ito naman ngayon ang mga nag-iwan Ramos. No good, rebound by Medanya in the block. Row 4. Sa gitna. Nakakuha ng foul. Nasa basket counts. Subdivision direct. Pasok. Pasok na ba? Kaya tawagin sa loob. First personal foul. Bonus throw, no good. Ano? Lamang ng tag-isa. Ay, all 18. No good. Rebound by Trise. Bounce pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez na pamadali. Spin move! Grabe ka talaga. Saan mo kinukuha yung mga ganong moves? Lamang na ng dalawa ang balagpag. Brazil bumangga. Iba. Bullet pass. Gutierrez another one. Ay! Ang gandang save. Grabe naman. Sakit na kay Lasmano. Ay! Sana. Sayang naman. Ramos. Gandang pasa. Teardrop. Oh, pare. Wala si Manuel. Basket for 2. Last time yung malakas ng gayon. 5 minutes and 50 seconds on the clock. Score deadlock 20. Gutierrez, nagkaroon ng papasahan. Oh! Ang gandang catch nun and ang pass break play. Easy layup for Brazil, 4-0. Dresden. Nagtangka. Lascano to Rocafort. 40 to shoot. Rocafort using the pick. Ganda namang move doon, pare! Sayang naman nakakuha ni Lascano. Lascano sa ilalim. Okay. Rebound pa rin na Lascano. Lascano nilabas. 4-3. No good pa rin. Pass break play. Brazil for the rebound. Brazil. Pass sa matinag pumasok na. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Plus na pass na downs. Jersey number 26, Dresden, that's your timeout. Balagbag. Second break. Tumawag ng tumawag. I score 24-20. Lamang na rin. Nangapat. Suriname. Bonus draw ni Brazil. A chance to make the lead up to 5. On the 15-footer line. Grabe. Bagong sapatos. Bininyagan sa ibabaw. Rocafort sa ilalim na libre si Medanya. Medanya into traffic. Medanya bigay kay Rocafort. Rocafort fakes. Rocafort pa rin. 5 to shoot. Long 3. Rocafort. 3. Grabe naman yun. Binitawang mo yun. Long bomb shot. Ramos. Ramos. Mid-range jumper. 4-2. Medanya. Medanya to Gutierrez. Gutierrez pati ka tumamubo. Almost a steal. Rocafort. 15-footer jumper for 2 again. Brazil. Brazil rejected by Medanya. Ito na naman ang pass break to Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Ay, dalawa kayo pa rin. Basket for 2. Timeout, Emmanuel. Okay, back to the ball game. Basket for 2 by Big Bo Reyes. Gutierrez fakes. Gandang drop. Ayun lang, hindi alis to si Lascano doon. Is still coming from the Emmanuel. 3. No good. Rebound by Gutierrez. Gutierrez drive. Binali-bali. Ay! Baka mapabili ang screen ng ring. Top board na, top ring pa. Ano yun? Double-double eh. What assist coming from Gutierrez. Sa gitna, another one. Tungkab, umali for the mid-range jumper. No good, rebound by Lascano. Lascano most to most, binigay kay Roa 4. No, yung layup down. Basket for 2. Steal. Nasa basket count. Grabe naman talaga ang mahaba. Ano tayo? Sino pa ulit? Sorry, hindi nakita. 6. Umali. First personal foul. Third, team foul, bonus throw. Bonus throw is there, completing a 3-point play. 34-29, change favor tayo. Brazil. Sarap ng pick na malaki. Torres sa ilalim kay Ko. Uy, napaka pare. Napaka daw nakita ng referee. Umilaw ang linya. 2 minutes and 18 seconds to go. Roa 4 kicks it out to Gutierrez for 3. Short. Rebound by Gutierrez. No good pa rin. Rebound ni Roa 4. No good. Reyes for the rebound. Reyes to Umali. Umali dire-diretso bounce pass to Brazil. Umali pa sa ere for 2. Roa 4. Gandang pick na naman. Nakawala na naman. Nakakuha na naman ng foul. Ang mga taga-Emmanuel by jersey number 26 Azares. I guess that's your third personal foul. Warning for team penalty. Lascano. Dagdagan bang kalamangan, first throw no good. Nadagdagan subdivision time. 35-31. Again po, ang ating clock ay may konting differential lang, nadadagdagan at nababawasan paminsan. May score sheet po tayo. Doon po tayo magbabasa. Okay? Thank you. Pasensya na. 31-35, holding a 4-point lead by Team Balakag. Azares chance to down the lead. Setting a play, gives it out to Brazil with 10 to shoot. Brazil is spinning using the glass for 2. That's Brazil for sure. And Gutierrez on the other hand. To Brice. Brice drive. Pass to Gutierrez. No good. Strong rebound coming from Roa 4. Bounce pass but steal by Umali. Counter steal by Gambino. There's a line ball violation or out of bounds. Sasabta pa rin. Brazil, 33-35, a 2-point lead ang ganda na laban. Brazil, Marquese, sa labas kay Azares, 8 seconds to shoot. Azares for 3. Pasag ang bubog, pero nandoon si Umali for a putback 2. Akway, Pastrater for a putback 2. Gutierrez setting a play, and there's a travel. Yup, that's a play with travel by Lascano. 36 seconds before our second quarter ends. Brazil. Seconds remaining. 14 seconds to shoot. Brazil using the pick. What a feed coming from Azares. No good. that's the points. Roca 4, and there's a foul. Foul by jersey number 6. Roca 4, basket ang isa. 37-36. 15 seconds time remaining. 10 seconds for 3. No good. Rebound by Lascano. Pass break play, 5 seconds to go. At napasa. 1. And our first half with an official score of 37-36 is still the lead is only by hello. Okay, pasok tayo ng second half between Balagpag and Emmanuel. Both teams are contenders. 48 seconds to shoot. Here comes Lascano. 10 seconds to shoot. Lascano. Floater, no good. Cuevas for the rebound. Cuevas. Manalese. Ramos back to Manalese. To up, di pala si Brazilian, umali pa rin for 3! Umali at 3! Francisco. 12 seconds to shoot. Big hook up for 4 for 3, no good. Rebound by Brazil. Brazil, dire-diretso. Nawala ang bola. Tumama sa bagong sapatos. Pabinyag, sabi ng bola. Pabinyag lang yan, sabi ng bola. Raw 4. Gandang pasan. Luka Doncic. 14 seconds to shoot. Meganya fakes. Meganya mid-range jumper for 2. Umali, teardrop, no good. Rebound by Bedanya. Francisco na ngayon na nagdadala. Francisco. Francisco to Rocafor. Rocafor. 12 seconds to shoot. Medanya. Pace. Ganda namang mga pasa na to. Francisco. 3. Change favor. Change favor. 41-40. Lamang po ang 41. Manalese drive. Manalese. To Cuevas. To Ramos. 4-3. Bang! Ramos. Rocafor. Elbow pass. Escape pass. Tumedal na ng libre. Pumenge pa. Inabot ka tuloy ni Ramos. Rabino. No good rebound by Ramos. Brazil nagmamadali. Brazil slash the defense. 4-2. Rocafor. 18 seconds to shoot. Rocafor. Uy, grabe, may pagkubo pa. Cuevas for the rebound. Manalese. Manalese. Kicks it out. Umali. 4-3. Good looking shot again. Coming from Umali. 4-3. Naibigay na lang po. Naibigay na po ang bola. Medanya. Official score natin pa rin. 48-41 po. 7 seconds to shoot. Rocafor. Short. To Brazil. Kicks it out. Time out. Balagba. 6 minutes and 34 seconds. Napito. Ipapalo mo yung page para makita mo. Para makita ang yan. Gutierrez to Rocafor. Bounce pass. Kicks it out. 10 seconds to shoot. Kicks it out to Trise. Rocafor leaves open for 3. Rocafor 3. Brazil. Brazil, naghahanap ng mapasanakan si Manalese. Manalese. Kicks it out to Ramos. Drills another one. No good at this time. Nagtatapingan. Bola po, mamanatili sa mga taga-Emmanuel. 10 seconds to shoot. Gandang steal coming from Rocafor. Rocafor, in and out crossover. Rocafor, what? Oy, grabe na naman talaga. Rocafor. Ay, anong pilot ng tira? Grabe. Brazil, down to 2-point lead. Ramos, in and out, rebound by Lascano. Pass break play to Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Time out! Emmanuel! Ano man pare? Parang kung saan yung sinusuot ang inyong tira. years old pinagagawa ko. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Then lock po tayo sa 48. Coming from the last shot by Gutierrez. Brazil to Azares. Back to Umali. 12 seconds to shoot. Isolating play. Bounce pass. Gandang at mid-range J. No good. Rebound by Brazil. Patay Salah. Nakakuha ni Azares. Ang langs ng Pectus. Nascada for the rebound. Oh, saling na binukuha ang bola. Rockford. Behind the back pass. Bang! Gutierrez. 3. No good. Takes it up. Steal by Trise. Trise. To Lascano. Trise. No good. Rebound by Ramos. Steal by Gutierrez. Gutierrez, another one. No good. Rebound. Bola po na mga taga-Emmanuel. Subdivision rep. Marquesas, no good. And pare, napalagpas ka, alam mo sa sarili mo. Mag-i-snake pick ka pa doon, ha? 51-48, tatlong kalamangan ng balagba. Brazil na libre. In and out, rebound by Lascano. Ang dami ng rebound doon, ha? Puno na ang listahan. Rockford. Haliyup play, parang lakas. Azares, bullet pass. Balagpang tuloy. Brazil, no good. Another rebound for Brazil. Another shot. Bang! Nakis na rin at this time. Then na 51. Gutierrez. To Trise. To Gutierrez. 10 seconds to shoot. Easy basket yan. By jersey number 15. Change paper pa rin. Brazil knocks another one. And he got it. Brazil. 3. Back-to-back threes coming from this guy. Jersey number 22. Here it comes, Gutierrez. To Trise. For 3. No good. Rebound by Ramos. To Brazil. At nawala ang bola. Nakatingin ka rin sa papasahan. 54-53 change favor. Lamang ng isang mga taga. Emmanuel, agad ng lawan. 2 minutes and 30 seconds on the clock. Gutierrez. To Lascano. Sa gilid. For 2. No good. Ramos for another offensive board. Azares. Ramos is still. Pass break play. Rockford. Gandang pasa. For 2. Change favor. Bakit ang change favor na to? Brazil. Hit check. Short. Rebound mo ba ito sila? Alayo na lang patak. Inabot pa rin. Rocafort. Sa gitna, Rabino. Basket for 2. 1 minute and 35 seconds on the clock. Sa gitna, steal by Rabino. Ang sigla mo na lang alam, kahapon ka pa. Ulit na doon mo na steal.
Ikot!
Marquez, no good. Lastano for offensive board. Defensive board rather. Rocafort. Still no. Gutierrez space. Gutierrez. Little dance. No good. Rebound by Marquez. Still. Gandang spin move. Gutierrez, no good. Rebound by Rabino. 10 seconds to shoot. 4-3. Rebound by Azares. To Brazil. Pass break play to Brazil. Step back 3. Short. Rebound by bola ng Emmanuel. Ay, Emmanuel tuloy balagbag. Subdivision rin. Pasok. 21 seconds time remaining. 21 seconds. Rocafort. 59-54. 10 seconds. 4-3. No good. 5 seconds. Gutierrez to beat the buzzer. No good. Si Marquez. Official score. Tama po, ang official score natin.
Kaway mo na din eh. Kaway din eh.
Brazil. To Bautista, back to Brazil. Lips open for 3. No good. Rebound by Rabino. Patayo na. Rocafort. Sa gilid kay Gutierrez for hindi pala pinasa pala yung silalim. Still back. No, Rocafort keeps alive. Rocafort. No good. Tumama na sa paa. Balagbag mo na. Gutierrez, nakakuha ng foul by jersey number 24, Bautista. Second personal foul. First, team foul.
Mababang gaya hanggang mamaya.
No good.
Mababanggayan hanggang
Hindi ko na kaya kanina.
Kanina rin.
dapat sinasabihan, eh, ang hirap ng ano niya.
Pag-ikot ko, nasa likod ko pala.
Yung isa din, gano'n. Nang madala.
No good pa rin. Rebound by Bautista. To Gonzalez. Bounce pass to Bautista. Gandang pasa nun. Umani mid-range jumper for 2. Gutierrez, natapikan. Jump ball na tayo dyan. Elbow, bola po na.
Manuel.
Dito po. Dito po, ang bola, dito. Balagbag ball po tayo. Naka-play! So, ano pa? Sayang naman. Azares na wala ang bola. Nakakuha ni Brazil. And there's a foul coming from jersey number 5. Ilan ang kuya mo? Second subdivision act. Second personal foul.
Nakikita ko. Dito na lang pala ako manunod.
Umali. Setting a play to Brazil. Pace, Brazil. Nakaiwan, binigay kay Azares. Step back 3. Ay, hindi. Binigay kay Bautista na steal na ng mga tagabalagbat. To Gutierrez. Muntik at pamahis nila sila aboard. Same ball possession. Subdivision rep. Pasok pa rin. Naka-outplay na naman! Ang ganda ng execution nun. 61-56. Gandang pasa! That's the ball movement ng parehas na team. Eight minutes to go. Still a long way to run. Gutierrez nakalusot, mid-range jumper. Umama pa. Brazil. Still. And there's a foul. Regular foul coming from jersey number 0. Subdivision. Umali out. Ramos in Brazil. Third personal foul. Gutierrez. 4-3. No good. Nagtapikan na kuha ninyo ang bola Ramos. To Cuevas. Gandang pasa. Fly-by for 2. 63-60. 3-point lead. Gutierrez. Back to Gutierrez, almost a steal. Gutierrez, paluktot na tira na nakakuha ng foul committed by jersey number 4. Subdivision rep at 24. Bautista, third personal foul. Two shots. Basket is good. $64-60. Last draw. Ramos. Teardrop, no good. Kanina po. Itong subdivision rin. Para pasok. Brazil, long range shot. Short. Reyes nakatampot for 2. 62-65. Gutierrez. And may whistle. Wait lang po, may whistle. Foul jersey number 24. That's your 4th personal foul. Subdivision rin. Pasok pa rin. Rabino, another one. Nawala ang bola na wala niya using the glass for 2. Brazil. Ramos for 3. No good. Rebound by Rofor. To Rabino. To Rofor. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Lascano for 2. Brazil. Gandang half step down for 2. Raw 4. 10 seconds to shoot. Lascano fakes. Lascano drives. Almost a steal. 4 to shoot. Gutierrez, quick 2. Timeout. Emmanuel. It is Emmanuel, dalawa pa para sa palagpak. Ayun, sumarap na ang init. Maraming salamat po. 5 minutes to go is still a long run to end our game. Brazil mid-range game. Hindi ko mawari kung may Lascano again. Gutierrez. 12 seconds to shoot, raw 4. 8 seconds to shoot. Down to 5. Gandang cross fake. 2. Diretso para may ball possession na tayo. Diretso yan. Eto naman sa Brazil. Brazil din na ang gandang pasa. To umali. Ay, to Cuevas, no good. Brazil corner rebound. To Brazil. Lascano 8. That's your first personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus throw ni Brazil. Chance to lower the lead. Too short. Rebound by Lascano. And foul by Brazil. Subdivision rep. Brazil, fourth personal foul. Third team foul. (66-71). Rapido na kalusot, rejected. Bolang-bola daw sabi ng ating mga referee. 4 minutes and 12 seconds, 13 seconds to shoot. Lascano for three. No good. Ramos for the rebound. Nakagawa ng ND. Basket for two by Terese. Grabe naman dumampot ng ND. Brazil. To Umali. To Brazil. Brazil. Setting a play. 12 seconds to shoot. Kings it out to Brazil. Ang layo ng pasa. Balag pa bola. Good chance. Kicks it out. Kicks it out to Rahor. 8 seconds to shoot. Fakes. Good tennis for three. No good. Rebound by Drise. Another offensive board. To Rahor. 8 seconds to shoot. Bullet pass. Ganda naman doon. Kaso no good rebound by Marquese. To Ramos. Brazil for two. No good. Rebound by Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Mid-range jumper. In and out. Rebound by Marquez again. To Brazil. To Ramos. Drive. Ramos pa rin. Nawala ang pass. Still by Rohor. 2 minutes and 40 seconds on the clock. Ganda namang Chris Paul fake. No good pa rin. Umalik for the rebound. Ramos. No good. Foul be called on jersey number 8. Second personal foul. Third team foul. No good. Official score 73-66. 73-66 naman po ang 73. Pasok ang isa. 73-67. Drise. To Gutierrez. To Rohor. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Anderson. Oh. That's a foul coming from jersey number 6, Umali.
Kitang-kita yung
Third personal foul. Warning for team penalty. Lascano on the 15-footer line. No good ang first throw.
Kita-kita
Last
yung
and final throw. Bounders ready. 67-73. No good pa rin. Rebound by Umali.
Oh.
And that's a jump ball. Doon na po tayo sa kabila ang bola. Emmanuel na po. Brazil. Still last 2 minutes. To Ramos for 3. No good. Rebound by Brazil. Brazil crossing over. Brazil, and there's a foul. Yep, that's a clearly foul coming from jersey number 26. That's your, I guess that's your fourth. Third personal foul, warning. 14 penalty, another steal coming from Rapino. To Lascano. Steal. To Ramos. Nailigtas pa. Ayan na ang shot. Bounce pass through Brazil. Fakes. Mid-range jumper for 2. Lascano. And there's a foul by Marquez's jersey number 15. Yan na po yan. First personal foul. Warning up, penalty na. Ang kabila, samantalang yung kabila ay warning. 1 minute and 11 seconds. First throw, Bakal. Basket ang isa, 69, 75, 76 rather. Steal! Robert nagmamadali, counter steal! Steal! Nagkalahok-lahok na ng stealan. Foul coming from Brazil, jersey number 22, that's your first personal foul, penalty tayo. 69-76. No good, rebound by Ramos. 55 seconds remaining. For 3. No good. Rebound by Umali. For 3. No good. Rebound by Gutierrez. Nakalasot. Naibato. Pare! Down. Coming from Lascano. 30 seconds remaining. Hindi pa po tapos, hindi pa tapos. May 29 seconds pa po. Grabe yung salpak na yun, ha? Huwag mo lang ang alamin para na. Is that it? Congratulations, Team Balagbag, for winning the first ever championship trophy of this Endaya Cup 20